What is water? Water is a molecule made up of two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded to an oxygen atom. Because the oxygen atom has a higher electronegativity, the electrons travel around it more than the hydrogen atoms, giving the oxygen end a partial negative charge and the hydrogen end a partial positive charge. This makes water a polar molecule. Because of its polarity, water has a property called cohesion. This means water can stick to itself, making weak hydrogen bonds. Each of these bonds lasts only 1/100 billionth of a second. Water's surface also has a property called surface tension. Molecules at water's surface form hydrogen bonds, making them stick together. This phenomenon is what allows water striders to walk on the surface of water. When water sticks to another substance, it is called adhesion. Water sticks to other polar substances, which explains why things get wet. When water is put with a nonpolar substance, such as oils, it excludes it. This is because nonpolar substances cannot form hydrogen bonds. The nonpolar molecules stay together, so they don't disrupt the water molecules hydrogen bonding with one another. This is why oil and water do not mix. Water molecules are very polar, so they can easily dissolve many ionic compounds. When a soluble compound is put into water, the ions separate. The water molecules surround the ions, forming hydration shells. The negatively charged ion attracts the water molecule's positively charged ends with the hydrogens. The positively charged ion attracts the oxygen part of the water molecule. Water has a high specific heat and heat of vaporization. This means it takes a lot of thermal energy to make water boil and to turn it into water vapor. This is what allows organisms to have relatively constant internal temperatures. Cells also have many chemical reactions occurring within them. The heat produced from these reactions does not destroy the cells because they contain a lot of water. Water's heat of vaporization allows organisms to dispose of excess body heat. To change water from a liquid to a gas, energy has to be used to break down its hydrogen bonds. When water evaporates from a surface, it cools it off. Because of water's polarity, it has many properties that make it necessary for life. 70% of the earth is covered by water, and about 60% of your body is water. Without water, life could not exist.